Hello, beautiful people. This is Nika with Love for Beauty, and my surprise, as I promised today, is the actor Jessica Norwood. Thank you so much for coming. I'm so happy to have you here today.
Thanks for having me.
How did we meet, Jess?
Well, we met on the set of The Ladies' Room, which was a short film we did a couple of years ago, and yeah, you were doing the makeup and I was in it, and we just totally hit it off.
That was a lot of fun. I had like 10 female actors to do makeup on. I tell you, that was not easy, but it was a lot of fun, and I'm so glad that we met.
Me too.
Yay, I'm excited. So we are doing an editorial photo shoot today. done. This is the final look. We did some glitter, we did some rhinestones, some purple lashes. She looks gorgeous. I'm so excited. Of course, excited, that's the word. Told you. I don't see comments with suggestions for another word, so that better get going there. Alright, so here we are with Jessica Norwood. Thank you so much for being with me today. It was such a pleasure. We had so much fun. We achieved this gorgeous look. You look amazing.
Thank you.
So I just want to ask you, how did it feel to be in my chair? What was that whole experience for you?
It felt great. It felt amazing. Of course, I've sat in your chair before. It's so relaxing. It's like, I told you that a couple times throughout the process. I feel like I'm meditating because I'm so comfortable, and it was just so nice being with you. But it was really fascinating. I've never done any kind of makeup like this before, so feathers and stuff glued to my forehead was really kind of a fun experience. So yeah, it was very fun. Very exciting. So thank you.
Yeah, thank you. I'm so happy to hear that. That's so great to know that you felt good and comfortable. It was a good experience for you. All right, well, we're gonna go and take some cool photos so we can post for you guys. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is coming up, and make sure you follow Jess. I'll put all her info down below. Drop me a comment, let me know what you think about this video, and let me know if you have some cool ideas. I would like to know them all, some suggestions for future videos. Please leave a comment, and until next time guys, make sure you meet me back every Thursday at 3 p.m. I will see you next time. Until then, much love from me to you. Many kisses.